In this video, we will learn how to make Instagram account private. So let's
So the
begin.
process is same for Android as well as iOS devices, so you don't need to worry if you're on Android. So first make sure that you are connected with the internet, whether it be Wi-Fi or cellular or whatever. So once you are connected with the internet, simply go and open your Instagram app. So here we go. So once you have opened your Instagram app, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. So once you tap on this, what you need to do is simply go and tap on these three lines at the right top corner. So you can see your profile here. Now tap on these three lines at the right top corner. Now tap on settings. In the older version of Instagram, you might see this settings as at the bottom. So open the settings. Once you are here, what you need to do is simply go and tap on privacy. In privacy, you can see account privacy. Under the connections, tap on this. Now turn it on. So it says private account. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. So now your account has been private. So hope it has helped you in making your account private on Instagram, on Android as well as iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.